Yo, so how to fix a PS4 Pro cannot turn on? Okay, I will turn on. And do not turn on the PS4 Pro. Yo, what is the problem? Just check the electric socket, turn off and turn on again, and let's try to turn on here. Okay, just like that. Do not turn on again. So guys, how to fix a PS4 or PS4 Pro won't turn on because only for one or 2 seconds the blue light is on. Okay, you should unplug all power electric like the TV power electric. This one unplug from the power electric, this unplug, and unplug this. Okay, and this. So just unplug all connected cable to your PS4 for 1 day or 24 hours. After that, just plug in again all the cable electric to the socket power. Okay guys, just like that. Hope your PS4 Pro or PS4 will fix and will back turn on.